Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope all of you are fine and having good health. Today we have the lecture number 2 for grade 9 and it is from the chapter Fundamentals of Chemistry and the topic we have it is branches of chemistry, and in this section we will discuss about the first three branches of chemistry. So let's have that what are the main branches of chemistry. Before that you must know that what is basically chemistry. So chemistry, it is mainly the branch of science, and this science basically deals with the composition, that how the thing have been composed, what is the structure, what is the property, or we can say that what are the properties and what are the chemical reactions of the matter, and all this we are going to study about the matter. So this branch of science we called it as the chemistry. So next on we have the branches of chemistry. Now we will see that how the scientists have divided the chemistry into different branches. So the first one branch we have it is organic chemistry. The second one branch we have it is the inorganic chemistry. The third one branch we have it is the physical chemistry. The fourth one branch we have it is the biochemistry. The fifth one branch we have analytical chemistry. Next we have the sixth one branch it is industrial chemistry. The seventh one branch we have it is environmental chemistry. Environmental means that is related to the environment. The eighth one branch we have it is the nuclear chemistry. So let's have a look one by one that what the scientists are going to explain in these branches and what we are going to learn. So we will discuss the first one branch, that is organic chemistry. So by definition, basically organic chemistry, it is the study of all the compounds. It is basically the branch of chemistry that deals with the study of all compounds or all the substances that contain mainly carbon and hydrogen. So, carbon and hydrogen, these are the basically two elements, and all these substances or compounds that are made up of carbon and hydrogen, we will study them in organic chemistry. And all the compounds that contain carbon and hydrogen in them, these compounds are basically known as hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons. And the study of hydrocarbons is known as organic chemistry. Along with the hydrocarbons, we have their derivatives. So the study of all the compounds having carbon and hydrogen called as hydrocarbons, and along with their derivatives. Now what does mean by the derivatives? Let's discuss one example for the organic chemistry. For example, if we have a compound like CH4, its name is methane. This is the simple gas. It is known as sweet gas that in Pakistan is used for the burning purpose or for the cooking purpose. So it is basically a hydrocarbon. Why it is known as hydrocarbon? Because it is having carbon as well as hydrogen. Now, if I am going to remove one hydrogen, because it is having the ratio for carbon to hydrogen like 1 ratio 4. If I am going to remove one hydrogen, then I just gain the compound like CH3. Now, if I am going to replace that hydrogen with another atom like this CH3 with the halogen atom CH3Cl. Now this is known as its derivative. So it is the derivative of the methane. So the study of all the compounds containing carbon and hydrogen and their derivatives, it is known as basically organic chemistry. We have a lot of other organic compounds like we have alkanes, we have alkenes, and we have alkynes. These all compounds contain carbon and hydrogen in them. So their study is known as organic chemistry. And these compounds are known as, the one name you must remember, that these are known as organic compounds. And their study is known as organic chemistry. Next, we have the second branch of chemistry, that is inorganic chemistry. So let's have a look on the inorganic chemistry. So it is basically inverse of organic chemistry. In inorganic chemistry, we will study all the compounds, all the compounds other than carbon, other than carbon. So we will study all the compounds that do not contain carbon, and their study is known as inorganic chemistry, and these compounds are known as inorganic compounds. So the study of inorganic compounds is basically known as inorganic chemistry. We have a lot of examples, like if we have in this picture the organic compounds in the DNA, it is an organic compound. The methane gas formula is CH4. It is also an organic compound. If we have benzene, it is a aromatic cyclic compound. Its formula is C6H6. It is having carbon and hydrogen, so it is also a organic compound. On the other hand, if we have a look on the inorganic compound, we have the salt, table salt, that we use to eat at home in the food. Its formula is NaCl. It is not having carbon, having just two atoms or two elements. The first one is sodium and the second one it is chlorine or chloride, diamond, and we have the carbon dioxide. These are the compounds. Here we have the carbon dioxide. Basically, it is having carbon, but it's not having the properties like the organic compound. Its properties are different from the organic compound. So that's why it is known as inorganic compound, and its study is known as inorganic chemistry. So we have a lot of examples related to inorganic compounds. We have another like SO2, sulfur dioxide, we have ammonia, NH3, we have sulfuric acid, H2SO4, we have HCl. All these compounds are inorganic compounds, and their study is known as inorganic chemistry. Next, we have the third one branch, that is physical chemistry. So what does mean by physical chemistry? Basically, it is defined as branch of chemistry that deals with the relationship, and that relationship is between the composition and the physical properties of the matter, and physical properties of matter. So if we are going to look the physical chemistry, it is going to study the relationship between composition and the physical properties. Basically, in turn, if we have to look on the composition of matter, and then what are the physical properties. So basically we have the physical properties of different compounds, like their state mean in what physical state the thing is gonna to be exist, what is its melting point, what is its boiling point, what is the density. All these are known as the physical properties, and how they are related with the composition of the matter. All this study is known as the physical chemistry. Next, we have the properties such as what is the structure of atom, or the for how the formation of molecules is gonna to be take place, that what is the behavior of gases. If we are going to talk about the physical states, the things basically exist in three physical states. We have gas, solid, and liquid. So all this we will study under the physical chemistry, that what is the composition of matter, that what is their physical state. So this is all about the today's lecture. I hope you guys understand that what are the three branches of chemistry. If you have any queries, you can ask me about that in the comment section, and I will get back to you guys soon, inshallah. For that time, have a good day and Allah Hafiz.